Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Trello for game development. So the first thing that you need to do is simply go to Trello.com and hit the enter button. Of course, first, if you have an account, go and log in into it. And if you don't, go and create a new account. Of course, if it's your first time going to Trello.com, you'll find yourself on this page. You can click on login to log in or create an account. As an example, get Trello for free. And you can use Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack accounts if you don't want to get all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you should find yourself here. If you find yourself on a workspace, you can go and create your own. As example, this is my own workspace. And you'll have to add, as example, so if you're going for game development, probably you have a team. So make sure to add them by simply click on this invite link and send the link to everybody that you know. For example, if I go and click on the link and people that receive the link will receive something like this. So if they already logged into a Trello account, they'll be able to access this or to join your workspace. And if they're not logged in, they'll be asked to log in or create an account if they don't have one. Simple, very simple. So yeah, once you have your members, of course, you'll find all the members listed here. You can simply add a specific member to a specific board, assign a specific member to a specific task, and etc. But as an example, the first thing, you can simply just go into a board. I'm just going to this board. Let's say an example that's, oh no, this is like a tier list. Let's just look for something like that. So yeah, something like that. Let's say you will have to create some lists and make sure to name an example waiting to get started, in progress, waiting for view completed, to basically organize the work of your given development. And you can assign, so you can even create some cards on each like list. For example, let's say you create a list with the name, add list, then you add a card to a specific list. So for me, I don't care about this at the moment. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just going to archive this as well and delete it. So here, let's say, example, I have this one and waiting to get started. So you can assign example members. I'm just going to a specific member. So I'm the only person example in this workspace or in this board. I'm just going to assign myself. And as you can see, so this person is assigned to this task. This person is assigned to this task. And this is example, the task that's waiting to get started. So if someone is starting it, they should move it to in progress as an example and starts working on it. Once it's finished, all they need to do is move it to waiting for review. And of course, the person that should review it should always keep in mind, or they can even set up some alerts using the power-ups. There are a lot of strong power-ups that can help you do that. An example, they will have to review like the work of that person. And if it's all good, you can simply complete it and check it out, like all good. Yeah, that's how you basically use Trello for game development. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.